Hey Cameron, what? You want to hear a joke? Sure. You're gonna laugh at this one. Okay. Why did Anne eat her homework?
Okay. How about you? He has the nation's largest 4G. Networks business solutions. We're driving mixed cars.
Think of the answer, goddammit! I don't know it. Because our teacher said it was a piece of cake. Really? Uncomfortable laugh. That was a good one.